Welcome to the world of numbers. Numbers are all around us. They help us tell time, count money, measure distances, and even plan our day. Learning how to use numbers in English will make your everyday life easier and more connected. The first steps. Numbers 0 to 10. Let's start with the most basic numbers. These are the building blocks of everything else you'll learn. 0. Think of a clock at midnight. 0 o'clock. 1 apple. $1. 1 day. 2 to shoes, to hands, to friends. 3 meals a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 4 seasons in a year. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. 5 fingers on your hand. 6 hides on a cube like a dice. 7 days in a week. 8 legs on a spider. 9 lives of a cat, according to legend. 10 toes on your feet. Look around you. Can you find something that matches each number from 1 to 10? Write down your examples. Now, let's move on to the next set of numbers. These are often used in daily conversations. 11 players on a soccer team. 12 months in a year. 13 a baker's dozen extra treat. 14 days into weeks. 15 minutes for a coffee break. 16 ounces in a pound. 17 the year many teenagers start driving. 18 the age you become an adult. 19 a common age for college freshmen. $20, often a common banknote. The power of tens, numbers 30 to 100. Learning how to count by tens will help you with bigger numbers. 30 minutes, half an hour. 40 hours in a typical work week. 50% or half of something. 60 seconds in a minute. 70 degrees Fahrenheit, a comfortable room temperature. 80% is a common passing grade. 90 days or 3 months is often a trial period. 100 a century, 100 years. Now, let's mix and match what we've learned to create numbers you might use every day. 21, the legal drinking age in many countries. 32 degrees Fahrenheit is the freezing point of water. 47 miles per hour, a typical speed limit in some areas. $58 for a nice dinner. 69 cents, the price of a candy bar. 84 degrees, a warm summer day. 99 cents, just under $1. Numbers are more than just math, they help you in daily life. Let's see how. I wake up at 7 a.m. The meeting starts at 3:30 p.m. This shirt costs $25. I need 3 pounds of apples. I am 35 years old. My sister is 27. You've taken a big step in learning how to use numbers in English. They are everywhere in your life, and now you know how to talk about them. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be comfortable using numbers in all sorts of situations.